The Lincoln Nautilus SUV features Lincoln Digital Experience, curated and designed by Lincoln to effortlessly help you stay connected while on the go. Lincoln Digital Experience allows you to connect with your preferred voice assistant in vehicle. You have the ability to use Google Assistant or Siri. Let's review each system and how to operate them in your vehicle. It is recommended that you pair your phone first, as your preferred voice assistant will use the paired phone to do multiple tasks. To pair a phone, sit in the vehicle with your phone in your hand. Either start the vehicle fully or put it in accessory mode by pressing the start button with your foot off the brake. Using the center touchscreen, press Add Phone. On your phone, press Settings, press Bluetooth. When your vehicle appears, select it. Ensure that the pin on your phone matches the pin on the touchscreen. Press Pair on your phone and Yes on your touchscreen. Pairing is successful, and now you can choose whether or not to sync your contacts. Syncing allows the vehicle to access your contacts for phone calls. If you have an Apple iPhone, you can connect to Apple CarPlay in vehicle, allowing you to easily display apps from your iPhone directly on the vehicle center's touchscreen. To enable wireless Apple CarPlay, pair your device to Bluetooth. Follow the instructions on your phone and the touchscreen. Open the app drawer on the touchscreen, press Settings, press Bluetooth, find your device in the list. Press the Apple CarPlay button and you'll be connected. You can also disable Apple CarPlay by pressing the button to turn it off. You can use wake words instead of pushing the voice-activated button for Siri. Just say Siri or Hey Siri for Apple phones. If you have an Android phone, you can connect to Android Auto and leverage Google Assistant to access your music, make phone calls, send text messages, access navigation, and more. To enable Android Auto, follow the instructions on your device and the touchscreen. Open up the app drawer on the touchscreen. Press the Settings button. Press Bluetooth. Find your device in the list. Press the Android Auto button to enable Android Auto. For more information on Android Auto, scan the QR code in your Lincoln Nautilus Owner's Manual. Lincoln Digital Experience makes it easy to engage with Google Assistant, Google Maps, and Google Play while on the go. Google Assistant allows you to use your voice to perform everyday tasks, including accessing entertainment such as music streaming, hands-free calling, navigation, vehicle controls, manage your schedule, set reminders, control compatible smart home devices, and access weather and news. Google Assistant can be used for information and navigation without signing into a Google account. However, signing in will unlock a more personalized experience, including smart home control, personalized recommendations, and access to third-party apps on Google Play. To sign into your Google account, open the app drawer on the touchscreen. Press Settings, press Profile, press Plus Accounts, select Google Account. To sign out of your Google account, follow the same steps, but press the trash bin icon, then remove account. Just like with Android Auto, you can say, Hey Google, to ask Google Assistant to make calls or send text messages, listen to music, set reminders, check the weather, change the temperature inside the vehicle, and more. For more information about what you can do with Google Assistant, scan the QR code in the Lincoln Nautilus Owner's Manual. Beautifully displayed on either your home screen or in an expanded view, Google Maps provides an easy-to-view navigation experience, offering turn-by-turn directions in your line of sight on the panoramic display. When supported with a data connection, you will have access to real-time traffic info, automatic rerouting, and easily find businesses, restaurants, and attractions. If data is not available, you will be able to navigate using downloaded offline maps, but real-time traffic and automatic rerouting will not be available. For more information about the Lincoln Digital Experience, please refer to the Owner's Manual. The Lincoln Digital Experience in your Nautilus allows you to effortlessly stay connected to your life while you're on the road. Thanks for watching.